Imagine discovering a tiny, under-the-radar AI robotics stock today that most investors are completely ignoring. But by December 2025, it could turn into one of the most talked-about growth stories in the market. That's exactly what we're diving into today. This is not about the popular names everyone already owns. This is about a microcap AI robotics company with massive upside potential, the kind of stock that can quietly build wealth while the crowd is distracted by hype. If you've ever wondered how early investors catch the next big winners before they explode, this video is for you. Make sure you stay till the end, because today I'm breaking down everything from the technology, the market opportunity, the financial momentum, the risks, and most importantly, why December 2025 could be a defining moment for this stock. Artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer future concepts. They are already reshaping how the world works. From factories and warehouses to hospitals, defense systems, and logistics networks, smart machines are replacing traditional labor at an accelerating speed. Companies are racing to automate because machines do not get tired. They work 24/7, and they dramatically reduce costs while increasing productivity. This global shift is creating a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, and we are still in the early chapters of this transformation. Most investors chase the big names once the opportunity is obvious, but real wealth is often built by identifying the smaller companies that are laying the foundation today. This is where microcap AI robotics stocks come into play. A microcap company typically has a market value between about $50 million and $300 million. These companies are still in their early growth stages. Their revenues may be small compared to giants, but their upside potential is enormous because they are building next-generation technologies before they become mainstream. In the AI robotics space, microcap companies are working on autonomous machines, intelligent sensors, robotic automation, smart drones, warehouse robots, and advanced control systems. Many of these innovations will become industry standards within the next few years. By December 2025, the robotics and automation market is expected to be dramatically larger than it is today, and the companies positioning themselves now are the ones that could see exponential growth. The microcap AI robotics stock we are focusing on today is a company that most retail investors have never even heard of, yet it is already providing real-world automation solutions. This is not a concept-only company. This business is actively deploying AI-powered robotic systems into real industrial environments. Its technology is being used in manufacturing automation, testing environments, controlled defense-related projects, and advanced research facilities. What makes this company especially interesting is that it is working quietly behind the scenes without heavy media attention, while insiders and institutional scouts are already monitoring its progress. One of the most powerful aspects of this company is its technology platform. It integrates artificial intelligence software directly with physical robotic systems. This means these machines are not just programmed to repeat simple tasks. They learn, adapt, and optimize their behavior using real-time data. This type of self-learning robotic automation is the future of the industry. As these systems operate, they collect massive amounts of performance data, allowing the AI to improve efficiency, accuracy, and safety over time. This technology is crucial in high-precision industries like automated warehouses, autonomous inspection systems, defense simulations, and advanced laboratory robotics. These are not low-value applications. These are premium markets with strong long-term demand and massive spending. When we look at the company's financial trajectory, what stands out is consistent revenue growth despite its small size. Many microcap companies struggle to generate steady income, but this company has shown improving sales from real clients. Profitability may still be developing, but that is normal at this stage when a company is aggressively reinvesting into research, development, and market expansion. More importantly, the company has secured strategic partnerships and long-term client relationships. When a microcap company starts locking in repeat customers and multi-year agreements, that's when its future becomes much more predictable. December 2025 is especially important because the global push toward automation is accelerating faster than ever. Labor shortages, rising wages, and supply chain pressures are forcing companies to replace human-dependent systems with smart machines. Warehouses are becoming fully automated. Manufacturing floors are being redesigned around robots. Logistics centers are shifting toward AI-driven sorting and transportation systems. The defense and aerospace industries are investing heavily in simulation, robotics testing, and autonomous systems. Healthcare is also entering a robotics revolution with automated diagnostics, lab testing, and surgical assistance. A microcap company that already operates within these ecosystems today is positioned perfectly for explosive growth over the next 12 to 24 months. Now, it's important to understand that microcap stocks come with significant risks. These companies often rely on continued funding, timely contract execution, and the successful rollout of new technologies. Delays can happen. Market conditions can change. Competition can intensify. Share dilution is also a common risk in early-stage companies. This is not a type of investment for someone seeking quick, guaranteed returns. This is for investors who understand volatility and are willing to hold through uncertainty for the possibility of extraordinary upside. From a technical market perspective, this stock has recently shown signs of long-term accumulation. Trading volume has been gradually increasing, which often indicates that informed investors are building positions quietly. The price has been moving in a consolidation range, which is typically the phase before a major breakout. This is often where impatient retail investors lose interest, only to return later at much higher prices when the real momentum begins. Historically, some of the biggest market winners spent months moving sideways before delivering massive upward moves. Another major strength of this company is its leadership. The management team includes industry veterans with decades of experience in automation, defense technology, and robotics engineering. This is not an inexperienced startup group experimenting without direction. The leadership has clearly communicated long-term growth plans focused on expanding into international markets, increasing production capacity, strengthening proprietary technology, and pursuing strategic acquisitions. When a company has both strong technology and an experienced leadership team, its survival and scaling potential increases significantly. Looking ahead to the biggest catalyst that could drive this stock higher by December 2025, several factors stand out. Government and defense contracts can dramatically change the valuation of a microcap robotics company overnight. Warehouse automation demand is surging due to e-commerce growth and same-day delivery expectations. Healthcare robotics is entering a rapid adoption phase as hospitals seek efficiency and precision. If this company captures meaningful traction in even two of these sectors, the stock could experience multifold growth. I also want to be very clear and responsible here. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Every investor has a different risk tolerance, capital size, and investment timeline. Before investing in any microcap stock, you must do your own research, study the company's filings, understand its business model, and only invest money you can afford to lose. Microcap stocks can create life-changing gains, but they can also result in painful losses if approached without discipline. For long-term investors who truly believe in the future of artificial intelligence and robotics, December 2025 represents a powerful opportunity window. This is the phase where foundational technologies begin turning into mainstream solutions. The companies that survive the early development stage often experience their most explosive growth during this transition period. This microcap AI robotics stock is positioned exactly at that doorstep. It is not guaranteed success, but the risk-to-reward profile is what makes it so compelling. The market always rewards patience, vision, and discipline. Those who chase hype usually arrive too late. Those who study trends, understand technology, and position themselves early often benefit the most. If you are serious about building wealth through future-driven investments, this is exactly the type of stock you should be watching closely over the next 2 years. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming high-potential stock opportunities. Also, comment below and let me know what AI, robotics, or emerging tech stock you'd like me to analyze next. Until the next video, invest smart, stay patient, manage your risk, and always think long-term.